Now, many of us, we have within us jealousy, envy, ill feeling, hatred sometimes. That leads us sometimes to belittle others or not to acknowledge the favor of Allah upon them. If you're jealous of how much of wealth Allah's given someone else, you're actually destroying your relationship with Allah, because Allah gave them the wealth. Don't you believe that the giver is Allah? If you believe that, then Allah gave that person whatever you're jealous of. Don't fight with Allah. Innal hasada ya'kulul hasanat kama ta'kulun narul hatab. Jealousy will eat away your good deeds because you're unplugging from Allah. Don't be jealous. You can say, oh Allah, you gave them, mashallah, give them more. Or protect them, preserve it for them, but bless me too. That's a good dua. But if you say, oh Allah, why did you give them? How do you ask Allah why? Allah can decide what He wants. La yus'alu amma yaf'alu wa hum yus'alun. Allah is not answerable to anyone. He's not questioned. No one can question Him. But in fact, He is the one who will question everyone else. So here comes Adam alayhi salam, knowing he's been warned about the devil. He's been warned not to eat from the tree. The rest of it, enjoy. One thing prohibited. In fact, you and I have many more things that are prohibited, not just one. So many other things we're not allowed to do, right?